name is Jana, and traditionally this is or was my cover channel where I posted my singing covers, and I don't know if I'll do that again. Maybe, maybe not. I mean, I still sing. I'm in my school's choir. But welcome to my channel nonetheless, and I think I'm going to start, well, no, I'm going to start using this channel for videos like this, and also because I'm on campus at the illustrious, the best HBCU, Howard University. Yeah, let that soak in. And now that I'm on campus, class of 2024, I'm going to be like, there's a lot of things I can vlog and post, so stay tuned for that. But I digress. This video is specifically to talk about how I became a Shein brand ambassador and how you can become one. So if you want to know what it entails, what is a Shein brand ambassador, and tips on how I got into the program, keep watching. So I was actually recently accepted into the program in August of 2021, and I'm filming this in September, so not too long ago. And basically what it is, it's a campus ambassador or campus brand ambassador program, excuse me. And there's tons of perks and there's lots of different things that come with the role or come with being in the program, but basically your role as a brand ambassador is to help increase their brand exposure and also like work on campus ambassador projects if you're given one, and to just try to get orders with your personal link. So basically they give you a personal link, and what you do is you share that link and people can either sign up for a Shein account or they can link their existing account to yours. And let me backtrack. Shein, if you don't know, is a online shop where they have clothes, shoes, accessories, everything pretty much. And I don't know, I really like shopping from there, which is why I decided to apply for the brand ambassador program in the first place. But yeah, so they give you a personal link and you want others to like link their account to yours, whether they're making a new one or just linking their existing account to yours. And from there, every order on the linked person's account that's $29 or higher gets $2 off. So y'all should definitely go ahead and tap the link in the description if you want $2 off. You want $2 off? Okay, that's what I thought. So the link will be in the description for mine. But yeah, and you just want to like promote the clothes and or promote whatever you buy, because again, there's accessories, there's shoes. So promote the brand, and like I said, if they give you a campus ambassador project to work on, then you will help them, and you basically just increase brand exposure overall. The perks, before I get into tips and tricks for how you can be accepted into the program, you do get commission. There's tons of like there's goals you can reach, and once you reach certain goals, they give you rewards, gift cards. There's tons of like networking experiences and opportunities as well, contests, and they do a lot for their campus ambassadors as well. So there's a lot of different things and incentives that they will give you as well, and you just want to make sure that you're promoting and make sure if you become like one of the top campus brand ambassadors, then you can get all types of perks. And yeah, so it's a really cool program, and if you shop at Shein and you already got Shein clothes, it's like, why wouldn't I want to promote it and benefit from it? So that's what the program is, and it's super cool. So if you want to know how you can become a part of it, let's get into the tips and tricks. So tip number one, well, actually, let me explain how you can apply. So you apply from the 15th through the 25th of every month is when the application opens. If you just go to like the Shein website, or if you look up Shein Campus Ambassador, I believe, and then it'll pop up how you can apply, and it'll tell you if it's not within that window, it'll say come back from the 15th through the 25th of every month. And basically that's how you do it. The application is pretty simple. And just asks you for like your socials, what college you go to, because it is a campus brand ambassador program. You do need to be enrolled in a college. Doesn't matter if it's a 4-year, 2-year, you need to be enrolled in a college. That's pretty much it. So yeah, they just ask you some simple questions like that. They also ask for like your follower count, how many comments did your last Instagram post get, like different things like that. And I'm gonna get into what my socials look like I'm gonna get into that. But yeah, it's a really simple application. There's no like, I don't even think you don't need to submit like a resume or anything. Your socials are your resume pretty much. And don't be alarmed, you don't need to have like 13.9K or something like that, so don't get all worked up. I'm gonna get there. So now I'll get into the tips and tricks. My first tip would just, well, be 18. If you're not 18 or older, you do have to wait until you are to apply. And also just make sure that this is for you. Like if you think you can post consistently enough to where you're promoting and you're getting orders, you're getting people to link their account and buy things, because it does sound easier than it actually is. So make sure that you do have a want to do that. This is not like a brand ambassador where like a program where they just give you free clothes. Like it's not that. You need to make sure that you're promoting or coming up with ideas, using your TikTok, using whatever it may be to get people to use your link. So make sure that you have the ability to do that. If you feel like I'm too busy, I'm too caught up, or I don't post enough and I know I'm not going to, stop watching this video right here. My camera cut off. But yeah, you don't want to be a brand ambassador if you know you're not going to post enough to actually get hits on your link. So my next tip is make sure you have a decent enough following on your Instagram and or Twitter. Definitely Instagram for sure. You could do without Twitter, but Instagram 100%. I will put screenshots or something of my Instagram followers because I don't remember. I think it's like 1,070 something. So I'm not like I'm not even at 1.5K, you know? So if you have a decent amount of followers or more than me, definitely apply. Like I said, you don't need to be like at influencer status to be in this program. They just want to know that you have a decent amount of followers and that they're interacting with your posts. That's why they ask you like on the application, like how many comments did your last Instagram post get. They just want to see if you have an active following and like, do you post enough? Are you active on Instagram? So yeah, I would definitely say if you check all those boxes, definitely apply. I definitely think make sure your socials are like clean, or that they promote like a good attitude, if that makes sense. Like that if it looks like you're a good person from your social media, just because a lot of brands in general, this goes for any brand ambassador program, I'm sure, if it looks like you are a horrible person and you don't match their brand, they won't pick you, obviously. So make sure it also shows your personality and that you just look like you promote having a good attitude and that it can blend well with the brand. On that same note, now you don't have to be like fashionista, like runway models Zendaya type on a fashion level. You just need to make sure that you, like, there's some full body pictures of you looking confident, that you have a lot, maybe like a couple different outfits shown on your Instagram or something. Make sure that you're showing yourself. And in the same way, don't have it be like a whole bunch of memes and not you, or a whole bunch of group pictures and never you by yourself. Selfies are fine. If you have more selfies than full body pics, that's fine. Just make sure that it shows you and yourself only, because if you have a whole bunch of group photos or a whole bunch of pictures that don't show your face or don't show maybe like a full body outfit or something, I would not apply, or I would just rearrange my Instagram or archive, do what I need to do. Same if you feel like your Instagram isn't like promoting you as a person, and like you having a good attitude. Switch some stuff around before you apply. I wouldn't say that that's a make or break, but you just never know. You always want to make sure that the brand that you are trying to get into their program, you want to make sure that something matches. I kind of touched on this already, but also make sure that you're posting often enough. You don't have to post every day, every week, like none of that, but just make sure that your last post isn't from like 2018 and you only have 2 posts up. Like, make sure it's not like that. Also, make sure your page is not private. I do believe that they ask you that in the application, like, are you willing to make your page public if it is private? And if it's not, I would just go ahead and change it to public before you open the application. So yeah, make sure you were like active enough, kind of how I mentioned earlier. Like I said, I think my last post when I had applied was from like a couple months ago or a month ago. So just, it doesn't have to be every day, every week. Just make sure it's something where they can see that you're active on there. Because stories count, but like not really. You can of course use your Instagram story to promote your link once you get it, but you also want to make sure your feed looks good too. So moving on to my last tip, if you don't feel like you have a decent enough, like aesthetically pleasing type of feed, then make sure you look up YouTube videos or TikToks or whatever and like rearrange some things. If my feed doesn't have like a theme or anything, it just looks nice. It just looks like a decent enough feed. If you have like a matching thing, like you use filtered, like if it looks aesthetically pleasing already, you're good to go. If it doesn't, that's fine, because I don't consider mine to be like a theme or anything like that. It just looks decent. So if you feel like yours looks horrible, if that's something you feel insecure about, make sure you change that before you apply. It's not a big deal. I don't think it will be a make or break, but if you feel bad about your Instagram feed, then make sure that you change that before you apply. Now, before I close off this video, I just want to wish you guys good luck. Make sure that you are ready on the 15th through the 25th of every single month. Look up Shein Campus Ambassadors and get right on their website and apply. It literally takes you like 5 minutes to fill out the application. And also, before I go, if you do shop at Shein, make sure you use my personal link. It will be in the description. You can just link your account to mine or whatever, so you can get that discount. It is stackable on other coupons, okay? So you can get the $2 off and use the coupons that you get from signing up or that you already have from, you know, previous, you know, purchases. So yes, the coupon is stackable. You can go ahead and click that link in the description. Thank you. All right, so I hope my tips and tricks and all the information I gave in this video help y'all. Like I said, good luck, and I hope to see some of y'all as my fellow Shein Campus brand ambassadors. Bye.